Hey my beauties, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I don't even gotta ask y'all if y'all miss me because I know y'all miss me. So y'all, we coming with something a little different today. So we doing a hair wash day for my girls. They're also getting protective styles. You know, I've been practicing doing hair for a little while now. I really still don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Hey beauties, so today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. Y'all don't know who they are, y'all. They sell jewelry. I've been working with them for years. They jewelry is tarnish free. It don't turn the neck green or black. And it don't change colors in the shower. Like, I've been working with them for years. I still got the first set of jewelry they sent me. And I am forever grateful for them for continuing to work with me. So that was the first piece. I did want to let y'all know that this jewelry does have a 2-year warranty. So do not throw your box out. Y'all seen that? Designed in New York. Yeah. But this is my favorite piece that they sent me. Ice me out, Julia. Ice me out. Y'all already know what's going on. So now we're going to get to the second piece they sent me, which is these earrings. They kind of like summer based. You know, this video was supposed to be shot in the summertime, but you know, things came up. They understood, and that's why I love them, because they work with me. But listen, if y'all interested in shopping with Ana Luisa, definitely go to their website and use my discount code charismamonaee for 30% off. And they're always running sales. So just imagine a sale on top of a sale. Yeah, you can't beat that. So now I'm going to lay the jewelry out so I can show y'all all of the pieces. And out of everything that they have ever sent me, this is my favorite pieces right here. It's perfect for a birthday gift, a Christmas gift, whatever gift you want to give. But look in the description box for all the information. Thank you for sponsoring this video. But yeah, we starting off with Blessing. This is my 4-year-old. So basically, I just go on with the hair wash. Y'all already know all of these steps. But listen, so this video is actually shot at the end of December. Yeah, it was shot at the end of December 2023. I left this video in the archive for a reason, because y'all know I do hair butter. I make hair butters, and I wanted to prove that my hair butter actually works for the girlies who already bought it. And if you do want to buy it, it's only 2 in stock, and I don't know if it's coming back, y'all. I don't know if it's coming back, so I don't want to upset y'all. But yeah, I'm basically going to show y'all the hair growth, show y'all where they were at the end of December, and then boom, we going to get to where they at now. But yeah, this is basically me just detangling Blessing's hair, because after I put the conditioner, it's super easy. Oh yeah, me and all my kids' hair, we have really bad shrinkage, so it would be really hard to detangle hair. So I have to put the conditioner in, and then you know I like to do a deep condition, so I let the bag sit on there for an hour, you know, heat up, and then I rinse it out and stuff like that. But y'all know how to wash hair, so yeah. So these are the only 2 products that I use on my kids' hair, and that is the Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner and my famous hair butter. If your hair butter don't got a clip in it, baby, you ain't doing hair enough. You ain't doing hair enough. So what I like to do first is I like to go in with the leave-in conditioner and, you know, put it all over the hair so we can get ready for the blow drying process. And I will show y'all that process as well, so y'all know my step-by-step routine that I do with my kids, okay? So like I mentioned before, my kids do have a lot of shrinkage. So what I like to do is I like to section off the hair in 4 parts so I can blow dry it. If I just try to blow dry it how it is now, it's not going to stretch. It's not going to come out right. So this is what I like to do. So after I section out the hair in 4 parts, what I like to do is grab me some hair butter and I put it all over the hair. It makes the drying process so easy, y'all. Like, y'all have to try it. Put it on your hair. Just don't do too much. You don't want it to be greasy, you know what I'm saying? But put some hair butter on there, blow dry it. Also put it on the scalp. when you're done with the protective style and before you're done with the protective style, okay? So this is how I maintain my kids' hair and their hair growth, and it has been a journey. Now, I'm pretty sure all you guys know how to blow dry some hair, so this part is irrelevant. You see what I'm doing. But yeah, after we finish blow drying and stretching out the hair, this is how her hair look. But I'm telling you, my baby hair grew since then. I'm going to put a picture up on the screen to show y'all what it's looking like now, okay? But yeah, this is my baby hair. I like to go in with her protective style. Now, what I chose to do for her protective style is to do twists. My baby hair grows with twists so much, so I love to do that style. She's saying hey to y'all. But yeah, this is her hair. That was her hair back then. You know what I'm saying? It's longer now. No shade, no shade. But this hairstyle actually grows my 4-year-old hair. I don't know how and I don't know why, but yeah. So next we're going to get on to Harmony. Harmony has the worst shrinkage in the house. A piece of water touch it, a piece of wind touch it, and it's over. So yeah, this is actually after letting her hair breathe for about 3 days. Because actually, after I take their braids out, I like to let their hair breathe for about 3 days. And then I go ahead, do the washing, conditioning, and do the hair over. So this is me washing her hair, self-explanatory, putting the conditioner after the bag. Y'all know all of that parts. I get back to y'all when we actually doing something, okay? See, y'all ain't believe me. I told you my baby got shrinkage. She looked like she ain't got no hair on that head. But yeah, we're going to do the same steps that we did with Blessing. We're going to go in with the Shea Moisture, you know. After that, we're going to section the hair off. Then we're going to put some hair butter on it. Then we're going to put some hair butter on the scalp. And then we're going to start the blow drying process. I don't got to sit here and give y'all a tutorial on how to section out hair, do I? Y'all should know how to at least do that. I don't know how to do hair, but I know how to section off some hair. While you on this video, hurry up and run to that website and get you a hair butter before they all gone. There's only 2 left, boo. Only 2 left. Don't get mad when they gone, because I don't know if they returning. That was limited edition, boo. Limited edition. Only 100 girlies can grow their hair because I made 100 of them butters. And I only have 2 left, so that means 98 of y'all are lucky. Y'all about to finally have some hair. So yeah, after this, you know, like I said, I blow dry it. Now, this is the results to after I blow dry it. Real nice, thick, yeah. But let's show y'all the updated picture of her now. Put it on the screen. Yup. You see that thickness? Yeah. Now, for Harmony Protective Style, she wanted some box braids. Again, I told y'all I was practicing. I don't know what I'm doing. So, I'm practicing. I got 3 girls I need to learn. This is the final results. It may not look the best, but baby, she rocked it. She got a lot of compliments. Everybody loved the pink in her head. It wasn't too long for her age, because, you know, my baby 9. It wasn't too long. She put it in a nice bun. Yeah, like, I did that. You know, for somebody who can't braid, and I'm currently teaching myself, I believe I kind of did that. I can do better, but don't judge me. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Protective styles grow black people hair like crazy. I don't know about no other races, but I know protective styles grow our hair in this house. So we love us a good protective style, okay? All right, y'all. So this is after I took out my baby hair. Y'all see the little dirt. She had that hairstyle in. What was that? I did it like the end of October.
Like 3 months. Or no.
So like 2 months and some change.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's normally how long she keep her box braids in. Y'all know she cut her dreads. This is all new growth, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a before and after picture when we blow dry it and everything. But y'all know wash day, yeah, it's time to wash this hair. But y'all see it so far. It's growing really, really good. So just want to show y'all that. Y'all remember when she had the dreads, right? No more dreads. Now, a lot of y'all may not know or may remember, but I know my OG beauties remember when Promise had dreads. She had them black, then she turned them blonde, then she turned them red, then she decided she wanted to cut them off. Oh my God. Now, out of all my kids in the house, Promise has the most damaged hair on her head. I don't know what it is. It's been like this since she was young. I remember when she was a baby, her hair wouldn't grow at all. Like, I'm talking about at all. She could only have little rubber bands in her hair because it would not grow. But since I put the dreads in it and then we cut it off, my baby hair been growing. So this section, y'all, I don't know what been going on, but the edges depleted, gone. I don't know. They out of here. Like my baby, I don't know what's up with her with these edges. She like to get these Instagram edges. You know, the ones with the wigs that come all the way to the eyebrow. Then she had the bald spot. Yeah, we had to fix that. So how we fixed that is we took some hair butter and we rubbed it all on them edges and we rubbed it all on that hair. And then after we rubbed it all on that hair, we did the same thing. Sectioned it, blow dried it, put some hair butter. Well, put some hair butter before we blow dried it. Put it on the scalp, but definitely put it on the edges. And it has been growing my baby hair back.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high.
Now, for the people in the back who like to pay attention to the background and not the goddamn video, yes, that's my ex on the phone. Yes, that's my ex-boyfriend. No, I don't mess with him anymore. No, I don't talk to him anymore. But I knew you was going to see the picture on the phone and you was going to comment and you was going to say something. But don't worry about that. He is something of the past. Don't bring that man up. I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. Oh, my God. I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. Like I said, this video is from December. So pipe down. Pipe down. No. No. Mm-mm. So after we blow dried my baby hair, this is how it came out looking. And this is a picture of when I cut her hair last year in 2023, July. But let me put up a picture of her hair now. You see how her hair only to her neck right here? Let me put up a picture now. So this is Promise after she got her hair done. My baby was feeling herself. No, I didn't do it. This is knotless braids. I actually paid somebody to do it, okay? No, it wasn't me, but baby girl slayed that. She slayed her hair really good, and I loved her hair, and she loved it as well. But yeah, this is basically the end of the video. I showed y'all all the before pictures. I showed y'all the after pictures. I gave y'all all the details. Run and get that hair butter. It's only 2 left. So let's see who the 2 lucky ones who's going to grab it before anyone else. But yeah, love you beauties. See you in the next video. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone.